Welcome to this short video for rapid high-level project evaluation in Minemax Planner. Minemax Planner is a fast, easy-to-use tool that enables businesses to quickly understand the potential value of projects with minimum time investment. Minemax Planner has a choice of intuitive task-oriented workflows. I'll call this project Midas and choose the pit shells task. Now I'll locate a CSV dump of the block model and set the grade units. You can now see the imported model in a 3D view and a reserve report broken down by rock type. We can see that waste, PM, OX and MX are the rock types. To prevent waste going to mill, we just select it and press the minus sign. For recoveries, we'll enter 85% for gold and 60% for copper. For financials, we'll enter $1,200 per ounce of gold and $1.50 per pound of copper. While we can use variable mining and processing costs, at this time we'll simply enter fixed costs of $12 per tonne for processing and $2 per tonne for mining. Now that we have financials, we can see that the reserve report shows ore as well as waste. Next, we move on to the geotechnical constraints. At the slope step, we're able to define complex slope constraints. For this example, we'll go with the default 45-degree single slope. For pit shells, we set the number of shells to 50 and the range of the revenue adjustment factors from 0.4 to 1. This gives us an adjusted gold price of $480 for pit shell 1 and then even increments up to pit shell 50 with a $1,200 gold price. Here we can see a summary of our model, processes, financials and geotech information. When we have checked that this is all correct, we go to the next step, which starts the optimization. The 50 shells will optimize in just a second or so. This is a small model, but even with millions of blocks, Minemax Planner can compute pit shells in less than a minute. The optimized pit shells can be reviewed in a number of ways. Firstly, the 3D view has them color-coded by shell. We can go into plan or section views and step through to understand the pit shell progression. Secondly, we can see the sensitivity of pit size and project value by the chart at the bottom. Finally, we can export the pit shell blocks numerically as a CSV file or geometrically as DXF. This is the last step of the pit shells workflow. In this video, we've seen how easy it is to generate a set of nested pit shells. But Minemax Planner doesn't stop there. From here, you can continue on to generate practical pushbacks and schedule them to achieve an NPV optimized schedule. From all of the team here at Minemax, thank you for watching this short video on Minemax Planner for rapid high-level project evaluation. If you'd like to find out more, please contact us at www.minemax.com.